Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide following list on TikTok. So we are in profile and then on top right you see three line hamburger menu. So click on it and then you see setting and privacy option. So again click on it. So our following list only visible by us. No other person can see our following list. So we are in setting and privacy option and then you see privacy, so again click on it. So we are in privacy section and then you see following list everyone, so click on it. Now you see following list, who can see your following list everyone. Now select only you. If you select only you, other users will only see mutual friend. So in this way you can hide TikTok following list. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.